ZAP garage door openers are quiet and reliable. They're also compact. They'll install in a lot of situations where other garage door openers will not install. ZAP 8800s are reliable. They'll open from the smallest doors to the largest doors. At Habpro Garage Door, we carry parts, install, and service ZAP garage door openers. Whether you bought them from us or you bought them from somebody else, give us a call. 770-985-3355. Habpro Garage Doors and ZAP, your best choice for commercial garage door needs.